Good. Good. All right, now I want you to look up, looks that way, look straight up. Good. Tuck your chin in and look up again. Good. All right. Slowly turn your head to the right, as far as you can go. And turn your head to the left, please, as far as you can go. Good. A little tight inside there. Tight inside here. Yeah. Okay. Turn your head to the right. I'm just going to just gently tap you here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Good. Keep turning to the right a little bit. Look up. And now look down. Down. Good. Good. Straight ahead. Good. I'm just going to gently tap inside here. Got to really work on your posture. You know? Because you're getting a lot of hunching in your shoulders. And that's not good. Dancers aren't supposed to look like that with hunched shoulders. They're supposed to look square. See that lady that was just here? The old woman? Yeah. She's 78 and she used to be a dancer. Okay. Turn to your left. And you see what her posture looks like? Yeah. Good. Turn your left a little bit more. Good. A little bit more. Good. Look up. Good. Now look down. Good. Look straight ahead. Right? Good. Good. What you do with your posture today will affect your posture in 20 years. All right. So I'm going to take your shoulder, go like that for a second, grab your hip like that. Good. We're going to pull our elbow back. All right. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Pull it back. And relax. Okay, let's try the other side. Pull it back. Harder. And relax. Okay, I'm going to try that a different way. Let me take your arm and just let it go. Let it relax. Just going to go in and up like that. No, relax. Just let it drop. Relax. Good. That's right. Try this side. You feel that? Yeah. Good. And then relax. You come here. Same thing. Just relax. Good. Come back. Good. Bring your shoulders back. Good. When you dance and you warm up, do you bring your shoulders back at all? Good. Stretch that out. Sometimes when you do that, you're going to feel a little pop right inside here. You ever feel that? Yeah. You do? All the time?
Not all the time.
Yeah. It's like a little chest pop. Good. Take here and just relax. Good. What happened there?
Oh, kid cut me at VBS.
What?
Kid cut me.
Since when does VBS become a dangerous place?
We had a spray bottle and the cap went flying.
Hold on, like this. Good. I didn't know you were still going to VBS. That's cool.
Well, I'm a crew days.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, and let your hips just kind of roll forward a little bit. A little bit more. Good. Awesome. Go right on the other side. Jules, remember when you wanted those sneakers?
I've got a few pairs
You
of
had to
them.
have those sneakers. She had to have those sneakers.
I didn't get them.
It's amazing how often they need to have.
Oh my goodness, they had to have those sneakers. Good.
They're comfy.
Good. All right, come lay right on your back. She had to have them.
Very good.
Good. See. Stop. Squeeze your knees together. Good. Separate. Good. Let this drop down and relax your leg. Just let it relax. Good. Yeah, everybody has a I have to have thing. Ooh, here we go. Good. Just gonna stretch this out a little bit. Let it go. Good. Good. Keep your right leg down. Nice. Just like that. Good. Let's do the other one. No? You ever have any pain inside your head?
Sometimes.
Like when?
I have when we do weird stuff with our legs, but other than that.
No? Which hip is it? Your right? And you feel it in the back or you feel it in the joint itself? That's the joint. Yeah. When was the last time you felt pain in there?
Last week.
You did? Remember your sister had a problem inside there. Do you remember?
No. Oh, wait, yes.
Yeah, it wasn't a good problem. She had it right before Nationals. That cause any pain?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. It's important for you to do circles. Okay, just let your leg relax, relax. Good. Put your hands right over here. I'm going to try to open up the hip joint a little bit. Hopefully it won't fall in my butt. And just relax a little bit. Good. Give me a little resistance. That was it. Feel that? Isn't that crazy? Alright, let me just your ankle. And relax that a little bit. There you go. Slide up a little bit. Good. Let's check your other side. Slide over to the side a little bit. Good. Do the same thing inside here. Just open up this hip a little bit. And just relax a little more. Good. Good. You what?
I felt that.
I know. Slide up a little bit. Good. How did that feel in there?
Good.
Good. Yeah. That's because you're always slamming down on your hip. You know, kind of like the way a football player does. You know,
Yeah.
it's rough.
That's what I tried to explain to both of them. They're doing a lot of wear and tear.
It's a lot of wear
They're
and
still
tear.
young.
Yeah, it's a lot of wear and tear. Now relax a little bit. Good. Just gonna gently come here. Close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. Good. And just let go. Oh, just kind of let that go right inside there. Good. Good. Yeah, the hips are the biggest thing that I worry about. Hips and ankles. Yeah. Good. Just relax this side. Good. Relax this muscle. Good. I'm just going to stretch the side here. This side's a little tighter. Let that go. Good. A little more. Good. Good. Breathe in really deep for me. All the way out, let it go. Good. Good. Even the ears. Plop. All right. Yeah, you come and sit up nice and easy. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we walk around, see how that feels.
I can't feel my back.
No, you probably can't. Feel a little numb?
Can't feel it's numb.
That's all right. It'll be like that for about 30 minutes. Good. Tirado, if you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.